Video created by www.Topratingreview.com. Review product name: Puppyoo Robotic Vacuum Cleaner, Intelligent Multifunctional Collector, Self-Charge and High Suction Power Side Brushes. Now I let you see product demo video. Don't forget to find product link in video description box. Features and benefits. 1. Intelligent design and smart cleaning. It can make overall planning through the intelligent the navigation system according to the dust on the ground. Equipped with SF Smart Chip, the system can catch 15 pictures per second. And cooperated with memory ability, it can calculate the best cleaning ways, and the cleaning will be very precise. 2. 4 kinds of cleaning modes. Intelligent switch. 1. Wisdom cleaning. 2. Spiral cleaning. 3. Border cleaning. 4. Directional cleaning. The cleaning modes can be controlled according to the environmental data which collected by the sensors inside the machine, while meet different circumstance in real time. The ground will be very clean after the cleaning of the robot. 3. 1000 pascals suction power. High efficient, works well in the sealing system. Through the vacuuming theory, it will produce nearly 1000 pascals suction power. It can suck up the hairs, dust, debris and some other litter easily. Battery capacity 2600 mAh. One-time charging. It can work 90 minutes and can clean 150 meters area. 4. Cyclone+HEPA double filtration. Puppyoo is the first one who adopts double filtration technology for robot around the world. Most robot vacuums adopt only the simple filtration system. The dust will directly get to the filter to make jam. It makes use of cyclone+HEPA double filtration system. The high-speed cyclone flow will separate the air with the dust thoroughly. The dust will be stopped by the filter, and the air come out will be very clear. 5. 0.4 liters transparent dust container. The capacity of the dust container of Puppyoo robot vacuum is nearly 2 times than ordinary machine. It doesn't need to pour the dust frequently. With the transparent design, you can check the dust anytime. It is more convenient with cleaning. 6. It can clean the short carpet easily. With the help of powerful roller, it will get on the carpet easily. It can cross 7 mm obstacle. The robot height is 9.9 centimeters. It will get into the bottom of the furniture. The bottom places can also be cleaned very well. 7. Automatic back charging. If the machine got power off, it will come back to the charging station for charging by itself automatically. 8. Flexible obstacle avoidance. There are several infrared sensors in the machine. It will protect the machine from hitting the object and make the obstacle avoidance more accurate. 9. Intelligent falling prevention. It can detect the height to keep safety and avoid the machine with falling from the high place. 1 robotic vacuum cleaner. 1 charging station. 1 adapter. 1 remote control. 2 side brush. 1 small brush. For getting more information and customer reviews, go to product page. Product link you will find in our video description box. like, share our video. And don't forget to subscribe our channel.